To Idaho, one of the richest potato growing regions in the world. Let's take a look at how potato farmers and manufacturers like Simplot ensure the highest food safety and quality for the world-famous McFry.
I'm an Idaho potato grower, and my family has been growing potatoes for McDonald's for the past 40 years. Many things are taught to our employees to monitor for proper food safety. McDonald's French fry is the gold standard. So to us as growers, for our product to end up in the McDonald's line, you couldn't have a better compliment. That's a fact.
When the potatoes arrive at the processing plant, we take a wide range of measures to prevent anything that isn't a potato from entering the facility. First, the potatoes are thoroughly washed and sent through a rock and vine trap to separate the potatoes from anything else. Then high-tech automated sorters using cameras and lasers detect and eliminate any other foreign materials that might have come in from the field. After the potatoes have been cut into strips, the new fries pass through the automated defect remover where additional cameras and lasers trigger precision air blasts that eliminate fries that don't meet MAC standards from the line. The fries are then quickly frozen to lock in quality and maintain food safety. Finally, before the fries are packed into cases, they pass over metal detectors as an extra safety measure. But the quest for perfection in food safety doesn't end there. The fries now face the biggest hurdle of all, the quality assurance team.
As part of the Food Safety and Quality Assurance Program, our department reviews Mac fries every 30 minutes off the line. In addition to that, every morning, senior management at each and every factory reviews the last 24 hours of production, where they review quality and food safety. Multiple samples are pulled daily at each factory and analyzed in the factory's microbiology lab. So our number one goal at Simplot is to ensure each and every person that consumes our French fries are safe. It's literally our job to eat Mac fries.
From growing to processing, every step is taken to ensure Mac fries are safe and delicious for families across the globe.